This video is for all the professionals working on the profile of professional occupations in advertising, marketing, and public relations and are willing to migrate to or work in Canada. It will provide you an in-depth knowledge about the National Occupational Classification Code of Professional Occupations in Advertising, Marketing, and Public Relations. So, let's start the video.
Hi, I am Smith and welcome to our channel A2Z Immigration Updates. We make informational and latest news videos regarding global immigration. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, so that you can get the most updated immigration news and information. In Canada, every skill profile has a unique code that is called National Occupational Classification Code or NOC code. This code tells us about the detailed information associated with a profile and regarding the key parameters like profile description or profile lead statements, key responsibility area and main job duties, employment requirements, alternative and illustrative job titles in exclusion. So, first of all, let's see the NOC code and its description for the profile of this video.
The National Occupation Classification Code or NOC code for the profile of professional occupations in advertising, marketing, and public relations is 1123. As per Statistics Canada, the profile description of professional occupations in advertising, marketing, and public relations is as follows. This unit group includes specialists in advertising, marketing, and public relations who analyze, develop and implement communication and promotion strategies and information programs, analyze advertising needs and develop appropriate advertising and marketing plans, publicize activities and events, and maintain media relations on behalf of businesses, governments, and other organizations, and for performers, athletes, writers, and other talented individuals. They are employed by consulting firms, advertising agencies, corporations, associations, government, social agencies, museums, galleries, public interest groups, and cultural and other organizations, or they may be self-employed. Agents such as entertainment, literary and sports agents are included in this unit group.
Key responsibility area. Human Resources and Skill Development Canada has defined a proper set of job roles for every NOC code. There is not any fixed guideline for meeting all the requirements. As per the recommendation of experts, a person should meet at least 50% of the job responsibilities mentioned in the NOC code. Now let's discuss the key job responsibilities associated with your profile. So, here we go.
Main job duties of an professional occupations in advertising, marketing, and public relations are as follows. Assess characteristics of products or services to be promoted and advise on the advertising needs of an establishment. Advise clients on advertising or sales promotion strategies. Develop and implement advertising campaigns appropriate for print or electronic media. Gather, research and prepare communications material for internal and external audiences. Develop, implement, and evaluate communications strategies and programs designed to inform clients, employees and the general public of initiatives and policies of businesses, governments, and other organizations. Conduct public opinion and attitude surveys to identify the interests and concerns of key groups served by their organization. Prepare or oversee preparation of reports, briefs, bibliographies, speeches, presentations, websites, and press releases. Develop and organize workshops, meetings, ceremonies, and other events for publicity, fundraising and information purposes. Prepare and deliver educational and publicity programs and informational materials to increase awareness of museums, galleries, and other tourist attractions. Initiate and maintain contact with the media. Arrange interviews and news conferences. Act as spokesperson for an organization and answer written and oral inquiries. Coordinate special publicity events and promotions for internal and external audiences. Assist in the preparation of brochures, reports, newsletters, and other material. Represent and act as an agent for talented individuals or individuals with specific occupational expertise. Prepare or oversee preparation of sports, literary, performance or other contracts. Literary agents specialize in representing specific types of authors and writers. Performance agents specialize in representing singers, musicians, actors, or other performers. Sports agents specialize in representing specific athletes or sports teams.
Employment requirements and other additional information. In this section we will discuss the employment requirements for your profile. Every job has a specific set of employment requirements associated with it. The main employment requirements factors includes 1. Type and level of formal education. 2. Specific training or apprenticeship. 3. Experience in the same or other related occupations. 4. Licenses, certification and registration to practice in a regulated profession, extra. Before moving further, let's understand the employment eligibility requirements and other additional information associated with your profile.
Following are employment requirements for the profile of professional occupations in advertising, marketing, and public relations. A university degree or college diploma in business marketing, public relations, communications, journalism, museology, or a discipline related to a particular subject matter is usually required. Practitioners in public relations may require an APRIL, accredited in public relations, designation.
Illustrative job titles and exclusions. Every job role or employment can have multiple profile titles. So if you are not able to find the exact job title for your profile, then you need not to worry. Now we will see the list of illustrative and alternative titles for your profile. This section is a list of titles commonly used in the labor market. We will also see the exclusions list, that is the list of titles that cannot be covered under your profile. So let's have a glimpse of it.
Illustrative titles for the profile of professional occupations in advertising, marketing, and public relations are as follows: Advertising Consultant, Communications Officer, Communications Specialist, Event Marketing Specialist. The list is quite large, so if you want to read all the alternative profile titles, then you can pause this video and can have a proper glimpse. Now let's see the exclusion list. Authors and writers, see 5121 Authors and writers. Conference and event planners, see 1226 Conference and event planners. Marketing consultants, see 4163 Business development officers and marketing researchers and consultants. Public relations managers, see 0124 Advertising, marketing, and public relations managers. So, this was all about the profile of professional occupations in advertising, marketing, and public relations with NOC code 1123.
If you need any further information, then you can contact our team of expert registered migration and employment consultants. Our team will help you to explore the employment, work visa and other immigration opportunities for your profile in Canada and Australia. Click on the booking link mentioned in the description to reserve an expert session for a detailed discussion to explore your immigration opportunities.
We also assist employers to file LMIA with Employment and Social Development Canada
(ESDC).
So if you are an employer in Canada, we can help you to get the best manpower for your company.
Canadian immigration is a merit-based immigration process, and your selection under most of the immigration programs depends upon your age, education,
experience,
English language capability,
spouse's educations and experience,
employment availability through LMIA,
provincial nomination extra.
We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited provide a one-stop online platform with all kind of immigration services for our global customers.
You can have online
consultancy sessions, assessment application filing and all kind of visa processing assistance by our team of experts.
If you want to do a self-assessment and check your eligibility for immigration,
then click on the link attached in the description and download our app to do your immigration assessment yourself. Also watch our other videos related to work visa filing and finding a job in Canada from your home country.
So, if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe,
like and share our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the most updated information regarding global immigration. Thanks, and we will meet again with another informative video soon.